Hi friends, let me show you these solar deck lights that I received for viewing purposes. They are really useful as a decoration outdoor. Let me show you. You get 4 of them. Okay. You get all the installation accessories, these brackets that you can use to mount them wherever you want outdoor in your patio. They have the solar panel here, and with this switch you can change from a color to warm white light, okay, or turn them off, okay? So we are going to install them and wait for the night and see how they look. Let's do it. Let me show you the kind of light you can get. Now they are operating in a color changing pattern. As you can see, they rotate to different colors, giving a nice colorful illumination, or you could set them all to be just white, like this. Okay, so they will turn on when the light of the sun goes out, and they will turn off when the light comes out. Okay, so you could even turn them off if you don't want them to be working, even if it's night, or as I tell you, white light or a colorful RGB display of different colors, like that. Very nice to give your patio, your party room, your deck a nice light touch at night. Thank you.